I purchased a 30 inches built-in microwave oven with convection cooking from Best Buy, KMBP 100 EBS. I was told it would work with a standard 120V 20 amp. The installation panel, however, shows 220V 240V 20 amp. The specs online show 240V, and when I contacted KitchenAid and was told 120V would work. Can someone help explain this? Will there be any noticeable difference running on 120V?
Can you guesstimate how old your KitchenAid is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It's a 2017 model #KMBP 100 EBS.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I don't know. Depends on if a new 220V circuit is required.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. I'm not sure why so many people have told you that this unit can run on 120 volts. The microwave portion would work on 110 volts, but the convection portion can't work without 220 volts. There is no way around that. This oven is intended for 220 volts. It says 120-240 because you are supposed to have an L1 and an L2, which is each 120 volts, and that adds up to 240 volts. The microwave will not function properly on 120 volts alone, I'm sorry to say. It does need only a 20 amp circuit, however. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Thank you. Sounds like I need to contact an electrician about getting a dedicated 240-volt circuit for the unit, which will require cutting into drywall, running cable, etc., or else return the unit and purchase something that is compatible with the existing 120-volt circuit. Are there any other options?
Those are the only two options, I'm afraid. Either you need to run a dedicated 220 line, or get a different microwave that runs off 110 volts.
I noticed the use and care online manual reads, the microwave oven is connected to both 120-volt sides of the 208-240-volt circuit required for electrical connections. If the incoming voltage to the microwave oven is less than 120 volts, cooking times may be longer. Have a qualified electrician check your electrical system. Perhaps that's why even the KitchenAid customer service thought 120V would be sufficient.
Perhaps, but that's just confusingly written. They aren't talking about 120 volts, they are talking about if you are on a commercial line and you only get 104 volts instead of 120 volts on each line. That would total 208. The heating will be slow, but it'll work. With only 120 volts, it won't even heat on convection whatsoever.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.